The visible spectrum is a part of the larger spectrum called the electromagnetic spectrum. You can see this on the table. The table has gamma rays, X-rays, and it has ultraviolet light, it has infrared light, it has visible light also is on that entire spectrum. They're all a huge range of different wavelengths. These different wavelengths have different energies. These different wavelengths actually are associated with certain frequencies. If you just take the small portion of all of those electromagnetic waves, which are transverse, if you take a small portion of that and you look at that spectrum, you will see a section of visible light. It starts with knowing that white light is really a combination of a bunch of different lights. Roy, G, Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All of those colors make up the visible light that we see and perceive as white light. Well, guess what happens when we see something that looks red to us? When we see something that's red, what's really happening is that red is being reflected to our eyes and the other colors are being absorbed. It's sort of like they're being blocked out. And all we see is red because that's all that's reflected to our eyes. So, the next time you see something black, what do you think that's really happening? All the colors are being absorbed. When you see something white, what do you think is really happening? All the colors are being reflected to your eyes. So it appears to be white to you. So when you see a red apple, it's because that color red is being reflected to your eyes and the others are being absorbed.